Hi there, this is Andrew Abyss. Just wanted to make a very quick video. This is Level 7 News. I want to make a quick video about an explosion in Yamaguchi, which is in far western Honshu, the main island of Japan, far western Honshu. Apparently there's a great number of depleted uranium rods in this plant that has exploded, endangering the area of western Japan, very far away from Fukushima. Now, a lot of evacuees apparently have moved to this area of Yamaguchi, so they may have to evacuate again, along with many other residents. This is a very, very dramatic and crazy development in the Fukushima, the whole radiation catastrophe that has befallen the world and the country of Japan. Also, at Fukushima, the Fukushima facility in northern Japan, the reactor 4, this is the biggie. If reactor 4, if the building collapses, which is quite possible, I've heard reports that it's leaning, and there's smoke pluming from it. If reactor 4 goes, then all 6 reactors will melt down, and there's a common fuel rod facility pool that would melt down as well. So in total it's about 11,000 fuel rods that would be exposed and cause it's estimated a radiation release that could extinguish all life on Earth, according to diplomat Akio Matsumura, who made such a statement recently. Now he was citing some report that it would the meltdown of reactor 4 triggering a chain reaction of all 6 reactors melting down would release 85 times more cesium than I believe Chernobyl, which would endanger all life on Earth. It's ironic that the Japanese people really dislike the number 4. They gives them chills when you mention the number 4. That's a very unlucky number in Japanese culture, because the number 4, which is read as yon or she actually is the word for death in Japan. So very unlucky number. The number 4 in Western culture is kind of a lucky number. It's a cute number, kind of. In Japanese culture, not very much at all. So ironic that reactor 4 is the number, is the death number, you could say. So reactor 4 has been in a critical condition for the last at least the past 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, it's world's health of the world is in the balance, really, and the mainstream media is not reporting on this. Remind me of this 1959 apocalyptic movie where there's been a nuclear war. The movie's called On the Beach, with Gregory Peck and Ava Gardner, and there's been a nuclear war, a catastrophe, and the radiation has just made the world uninhabitable except for Australia. Kind of a bizarre premise, but so the movie's set in Melbourne, which is where I'm from, and inevitably at the end of the movie, radiation creeps to Australia, and survivors think of what they should do in their last days and hours living on Earth. So let's hope this doesn't pan out, but there's certainly enough radiation in Fukushima to make that a possible scenario. So let's be praying, and if you're of the praying type, let's hope and also agitate as much as we can to make governments, if they can, even just awareness this problem and put pressure to have things, the right things told to the people of the world and the right actions taken. It's not a very hopeful situation, but let's not be lulled into any pessimism or fatalism, because there's a lot more life to be lived. Okay, Andrew Biss out. This is Levels of News. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.